Hey everyone, this is Daddy T here with another video for you. So I'm actually driving to see a friend of mine that needed some stuff moved out of his house and needed some help. So I was going there, but on my way there, I actually passed by two laundromats, or as they're referred to in Japan, coin laundry. Now, there has been some question on how to operate these machines, the functions on them, etc. So let's go over that real quick. I will go to 3 different coin laundries so that you can get that warm and cozy feeling, and so that you won't feel intimidated when going into one after this is over. So first off, why even use one? Well, if you do not have a dryer and it's raining outside and you need those clothes tomorrow, coin laundry. If you don't have a washing machine at all, coin laundry. If you want to wash your rugs or huge blankets because winter is here and Jon Snow just abandoned his post at the wall to go warn others and fight the good fight, well, go help him, then go to the coin laundry. Capiche? Okay, here's our first one. Now again, coin laundry is the term for laundromats in Japan. So this sticker is on a washing machine and it says it can wash a load up to 8 kilograms. Pay close attention to this sign, folks. This is why my channel is so unique. This is very important. This says no laundry detergent required. Actually, they don't even want you to put your own laundry detergent in. How do I know? Try putting it in, a lady will come out and say, no, stop. And this one says Zabu Zabu washing machine provides laundry detergent and fabric softener. Now this is pretty cool. This is a shoe washing machine. You can wash 2 adult size shoes or 4 kids shoes at a time. You can wash sneakers, sports shoes, or indoor shoes like shoes that you would use for Japanese schools. This costs 200 yen at a time. Extra 20 minutes is 100 yen. You cannot wash leather shoes or boots in here. Let's go over these mode buttons on this wash machine. Quick, normal, delicate, blankets, hot water, warm water, regular water, and start. These signs says the washing machine washes with warm water, so good for white clothes. At home, we can only wash with cold water, so that's a plus right there. More buttons. Let's go over these. First off, this machine costs 1,000 yen to operate. Normal hot water, normal warm water, and normal water. Stubborn dirt, hot water, warm water delicate, hot water quick, and warm water quick. Regular water temperature quick. Green button says start. And I have never been to a laundromat in Japan where you could actually use your own laundry detergent. They all provide laundry detergent inside the machine. These are softener sheets for the dryer, 200 sheets for 100 yen. Wow, look at that shiny sign. Want to guess what it says? Let me help you with that. This is basically how to use the washer dryer machine at this laundromat. Step 1, you can wash inside before you actually put your clothes in. There's a button that actually says wash inside. 2, put your clothes inside and close the door. 3, choose your course. 4, pick the temperature for dryer, high, medium, or low. And 5, put money in the machine. this is a guide for the appropriate course to choose based on the weight of your clothes. So course 3 washes up to 27 kilos. Course 1 washes and dries 20 kilos. Course 4 is a dry only course for 20 kilos. Course 2 is a wash and dry for up to 12 kilograms. More buttons on the washer dryer. Now this is a wash and dry machine. 1. Make sure nothing is inside, then put your clothes inside. 2. Pick your course. 1. Wash and dry normal course is 60 minutes for 1,300 yen. 2. Wash and dry small amount course 50 minutes, 1,100 yen or 1,100 yen. 3. Wash only course 26 minutes. Doesn't sound that long actually, for 1,000 yen. 4. Dry only course 7 minutes, 100 yen. And here you can choose the temperature for drying, high, medium, or low. 4. Put money in and then push the start button. This one says put money inside, drying and cooling. High, low, middle, fan start. This is interesting. This is a fluffy high temperature sterilization dryer. This is a different coin laundry, and this one has a free Wi-Fi. So when you go inside one of these, check, you might get free Wi-Fi. And this one happens to offer coffee too. This is a pretty sweet washing machine actually. One of the better ones I've seen. So under tab 3 it says, choose the scent of the softener, fragrance free, premium floral, that's an extra 100 yen. How he said Lenore et Deluxe, that'll be an additional 200 yen. Wash with hot water. And also I wanted to tell you something extremely important. If you don't know what a dani is tick in Japanese, or bed bugs. And so these washer dryers in this particular coin laundry has that option for you that helps kill ticks or bed bugs in your blankets, because a lot of people actually use these coin laundries to wash their rugs and blankets in. You have to pay extra for that. So basically the more options you choose, the more yen you have to put in. A lot of people didn't even know that this option even existed, but some do offer it. To wash with hot water costs an extra 100 yen. To repel ticks, that's what I was talking about, that's an extra 100 yen. You can choose your softener, antibacterial, fragrance free. Premium floral is 100 yen, and that Lenore Deluxe is 200 yen. These look super hot. These buttons are the temperature for drying. High, they recommend that for towels. Middle or medium for regular clothes, and low for delicate clothes. And look, they have a smart laundry app. So if you want to use this app, scan the QR code, you can download it, and you can use these cashless apps like Line Pay, and etc. Even though this counter is closed, you can still pick up your laundry in these lockers here for 24 hours. And most, if not all, coin laundries in Japan are 24 hours. Ooh, look at this. This sign says, hanging clothes outside is dangerous. PM 2.5, yellow sand or pollen. You don't have to worry about that if you use a dryer. Now, if you're not familiar with the term PM 2.5, you will when you get here, especially in the springtime. It's a term used to describe tiny particles that are 2.5 microns in width or less. These are particles from gas exhaust, fossil fuels, etc. So if you live nearby a busy street and this concerns you, then maybe dry your clothes at a coin laundry if you are that concerned with it. So here we are in the last coin laundry. Look around. Maybe now you can see and understand what some of these signs are and how to operate things. What's a washing machine? What's a dryer? What's a combination of the two? And you see some familiar devices like the shoe washing machine. And remember, leave your laundry detergent at home, because they don't want you using it. And DT returned to that massage chair, thinking about his next video. Thanks for watching. More survival tips on the way. Subscribe because there will be more coming out, and I'll catch you on the next one, folks. DT out. And DT returned to that massage chair, thinking about his next video.